Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is remove any screen protector or case if you have one. It can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. So whenever you have your screen protector, as you guys can see, I got mine right here. Whenever it's misaligned or not placed perfectly, this is the only condition where you want to take it off. Basically, the screen protector has to be perfectly aligned with the device or with the screen itself, and basically when it's not, then it can cause a lot of unresponsiveness with the screen. So make sure that it's aligned properly, and if not, then remove it and get it replaced later. And moving on to the case, basically when you got a case, then it can cover a lot of the screen sometimes when they are not made perfectly, and it can also cause the less responsive screen. So now, how do you actually fix that? Besides removing it, you guys need to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So get yours ready, and you need to give your screen a few good wipes. So do it just like that, but don't go too hard on the device. You don't have to, you just need to do it gently, and after that it should be good. Now what else can we do if this is just a simple minor mistake made by a software? Then we can hold the power button and swipe up to restart our device, and now our device is restarting, and every single restart basically refreshes the entire system, and it can help a lot in those situations. So I'll see you guys once the phone is turned on. Now, after the phone restart, what you guys want to do is update your software if you haven't already. So move on to the settings. Now here, we need to scroll all the way down until we see System and Update. Now click on Software Update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically. So if you do not run the latest version of the Oxygen OS, then make sure that you do. It's very important to update your software regularly. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your screen lock pattern. So in such case, make sure that you don't have the fingerprint or face unlock installed on your device, and if you don't, then in such case try your best to remember the screen lock pattern that you used the last time to log into your device. And if it doesn't work for you in the normal mode of your phone, then maybe some third-party application is affecting the way that your screen lock behaves, or maybe your phone is simply lagging because of the apps running in the background, which doesn't allow you to sign in. So in such case, let's restart the phone into the safe mode. To do that, shortly press the volume up key and the power button at the same time, select restart, and now when your phone starts rebooting, let's wait until the logo appears on the screen. Okay, here it is. Now wait until you see the red and white dots logo, and once you see it, start pressing and holding down the volume up key until your phone vibrates. Okay, so I'm holding it down, and as you can see, well, this time the phone didn't vibrate, but still, once your phone boots up, you'll be in a safe mode, and you'll be able to see that indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now in the safe mode, try to enter your screen lock pattern again, and if it works for you this time, then just if it works for you, go to the settings, then select security and privacy, select device unlock, screen lock. Now confirm, select turn off password, confirm, and then you can restart your phone in the very same way, except for we don't need to press anything during the boot up. So let's restart the phone, and this way you'll be able to regain access to your device. And now if this didn't help you, then in such case the first thing that comes to my mind is reaching out to the OnePlus customer support service, as if you explain them your issue and provided them with proof of the ownership of your smartphone to them, they would most likely help you out with resolving your problem and help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from your phone. And now, if this option is unavailable for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase everything from your phone, but will also let you regain access to your device like 100%. And the first way to do this is remotely, and if you want to do this remotely, you should search for FindHub website. You can do this from any other device other than this one. Since you don't have access to this one, I just wanted to show you what I'm talking about. Now log into the FindHub service on Google using the Google account that is connected to your smartphone. And if you didn't disable the Find My Device feature manually in your phone settings, then you'll be able to find your phone on the list. Then select Factory Reset Operation, which is the last option on the list. And once your phone performs a factory reset, and once it is reset, you'll be able to set it up again like as a new device. And now if you cannot use this option too, then you can perform a factory reset of your operation of your smartphone using recovery mode. And to enter, if you don't know how to enter recovery mode or how to navigate in it, or if you have some doubts on your way, then you can check the full video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset on OnePlus Nord 5. In which we'll explain everything step by step for you, so you don't get lost and surely will get everything right. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot get the access to your smartphone using your PIN code. Now the first thing that comes to my mind is that you should check whether you haven't mistaken the personal PIN code for the SIM card PIN code. And if you're because these two are often mistaken for each other, so make sure that you're trying to enter your personal PIN code. Now once you do that, try your best to remember the PIN code that worked for you the last time when you tried to sign into your smartphone. And if it doesn't work for you in the normal mode, then let's try to use it in the safe mode. And to enter the safe mode, we'll have to press power button and volume up keys at the same time for a short while, then select restart. Then wait for the logo to appear on your screen. And by the logo I don't mean this one, but the next one that you'll see, the red and white dots. And once you see it, start holding down the volume down key of your smartphone, like right now. Hold down the volume down key and wait until your phone boots up. Now in the safe mode there will be no third-party applications affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, or screen lock behaves. Lock screen, excuse me, and your phone will be less laggy too. So you can right now, since you have this safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, try entering your PIN code again, and just in case if it works for you this time, then go into settings, select security and privacy, then select device and lock, go to fingerprint, go to screen lock, enter your password again, select turn off password, confirm, and after this you can safely reboot to the normal mode like this. Okay, and now if it didn't help you, if entering your password in safe mode didn't help you, then the best thing that you can do is reach out to the OnePlus customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out solving your problem without removing any personal files from your device. Now, if this doesn't sound like an option for you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation. And to perform a factory reset operation, you can either use a Find My Device feature on your device. If you have a Google account connected to your smartphone, then you can use any of your other devices to Google or search for Find Hub service. Then log into the Find Hub service using your Google account that is connected to the smartphone. And if you didn't disable Find My Device feature manually, then you'll be able to find your smartphone on the list. And once you select it, go to the factory reset operation, which is the last option on the list of what you can do with your smartphone remotely. And once your device is restarted, you'll be able to set it up as a new smartphone. And if you cannot do this either, you can still perform factory reset operation locally using recovery modes. And if you need some help in your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation on a OnePlus Nord 5 using recovery mode. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the sound settings. So open up settings. Now you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see sounds and vibration. And here you need to check the volume levels. So you can set something similar to mine. I know that mine are good. You can boost the media up to 100 if you want to, but that doesn't change much. Now, after checking those levels, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So right here, let me show you, we will have the speaker grills, and here we can basically clean them. It's very important to do that because sometimes there's just dust stuck inside them and they can block the way of the speaker. And now after that, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to make sure that the audio isn't rerouted to any other device. So go to settings, and in here go to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is either disabled, or when it's enabled, that it's not connected to any device. And now after that, what you guys can do is update the software to basically fix any glitches that may be there. So go to settings again. Now scroll all the way down to system and update, and here click on software update. It will check for updates automatically, and if you run the latest version just like me, then that's great. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very good and it can fix a lot of glitches. Not only the software updates in general, like the security patches, but also any glitches with the speakers, headphones, the touchscreen, and much more. So make sure to update your phone regularly. And now after that, what you guys can do is factory reset the phone if the software update did not help you. So go back to the system and update. Now click backup and reset, and here click on the reset phone. Now if you want to entirely delete everything, then click erase all data. Here enter the lock screen password, and here after you click clear, your phone will basically go back to factory settings. But first remember to always back up the phone. You can either clone it to other device or create a local backup to stash it up in your phone storage. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So let's set up a new face model for our device. Let's go to the settings first, then select security and privacy, scroll down to device unlock section, now go to fingerprint and face unlock. Now let's go to face. And before we add a new face model to our device, first of course make sure that you have removed the previous ones. And before we start, let's first adjust the lights in the room in order so that you can clearly see your face and more important, your face features in your camera. And for the same reason, let's use a dry towel to wipe the frontal camera of our device. Do it carefully not to damage it. Okay, and when you're ready, click Add Now and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Look directly in the camera to make sure of the best experience. Okay, and when you're done, click Done. And before we proceed, let's go to the settings and check if the system is up to date. To do that, scroll to the very bottom of the list of the settings, select System and Update, Software Update, and then check if your software version is up to date, because this also may affect the way that your hardware works, including the face recognition scanner. And just to make sure that all the changes applied, let's restart the phone by holding down the power button and the volume up key at the same time for a second. Then select Restart and let your phone reboot. Okay, let's check how face recognition works now. So first unlock your phone and let it load for a while. And now let's check how the face recognition works. Okay, it went pretty smoothly the first time. Let's check it a couple more, give it a couple more tries. As you can see, it worked again. Yeah, as you can see, it works perfectly for me, and I hope it does for you too. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust your brightness. So go over to settings and here go to display brightness. Now here make sure that you adjust your brightness manually and you do not change it with the automatic brightness. As you guys can see, we need to disable it and lower it by ourselves. Now basically after that, we need to make sure that our screen refresh rate is on standard. So it's only for the time of testing. You guys can see if the screen flickering disappears because it's the lower refresh rate. It's not 144 Hz, it's 60. So there's a big difference. And now after that, what you guys can do is download the screen dimmer app, and we do that by going into the Play Store and searching for the screen dimmer and then OLED saver. As you guys can see, it's the first app right here. And now let's click install, and it's basically installing in less than 5 seconds because it's only 2 megabytes. Let's grant permissions. So let's just click everything here, click the arrow, grant permission, and now go to downloaded apps, select screen dimmer and enable it, click on allow. Basically, do not mind it asking you this, like view and control screen and view and perform actions. It has to do that because it lowers your brightness, so this is why. And here the last one is notifications, click yes, and now we should be able to see if that works. So as you guys can see, it definitely does work, and now we can just disable it and it will go back to default. So now For the last step, if your screen is still flickering, then it might be the issue of your software if it's not updated to the latest version. So go over to settings, and here we need to scroll a bit down, go to system and update, and go to software update. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically, and I'm running the latest version of the Oxygen OS. If you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to be on the latest version because you don't have basically any old glitches, and they are probably fixed in the latest versions. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side of your phone. So as you guys can see, whenever I try to change it right here, I'll click those three dots. I do not have the call volume here, so it's only available when you're in a call. As you guys can see, let me show you in these settings. Let's click three dots, go to settings, and here you guys also cannot change the call volume. So try and change that while being in a call and see if it helps. Sometimes you just forget about it, it happens. And if it didn't help, then what you guys can try to do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected device to your device. So what I mean by that is we need to go over to settings, and here, as you guys can see, I'm in Bluetooth already, but here we have the Bluetooth, and we need to make sure that it's either disabled or that when it's enabled, that no device is connected. It may route audio through, let's say, your headphones while you do not wear them. So that might also cause some issues, so remember to disable it for the time of testing. And now what you guys can do next is try and clean the earpiece with a soft brush, because any dirt, debris, or lint that is here can block the audio and it can cause a lot of issues, and the only fix to that is basically to clean it. So now after you clean the earpiece, what you guys can do is test your device with another call or another call on a different app. So let's say you called from your phone app, you can go over and let's say select WhatsApp and see if that changes anything, to see if the problem is app specific or it's for your phone. So now if that didn't help you, you guys can try and restart your phone to refresh the entire system and get rid of the minor glitches. So hold the power button for a couple of seconds. Now here, let's scroll up to restart, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is try and to reset your device if the problem still persists. So go over to settings, and in here you need to scroll all the way down until you guys see system and update. Now here we need to select backup and reset, and here click reset phone. Now we won't erase all data, we will only erase reset network and Bluetooth settings. So now let's draw our lock screen pattern. Here click reset, basically we'll reset the network, and that's what we care about. We will have to re-enter all of our Wi-Fi passwords, the Bluetooth, and now let's click reset. As you guys can see, my Wi-Fi bar disappeared, but now the no sound during calls should be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone doesn't detect a SIM card. So the first thing that we can do in such case is remove a SIM card. So face the bottom edge of your smartphone to you. Then carefully remove a SIM card and check if it's installed like this. Let me remove it quickly. Okay, so just grab your SIM card slot like this and then place the SIM card inside this way. Slightly push it inside so that it sits. Okay, and right now let's reinsert it into the phone in this way. Okay, and now check if your phone started seeing your SIM card. Give it a moment. Okay, and as you can see, my phone already does see my SIM card. But if this didn't help you, then in such case, try to clean your SIM card with a soft cloth and then put it back inside. Now, if this doesn't help you either, then try to test your SIM card in another phone. And if it works in another phone, then check for the software updates on your OnePlus Nord 5. Go to the settings, then select System and Update, then select Software Update, and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, please take your time and install all the required updates, and then check if your SIM card started being detected. Now, if it didn't, then reset your network settings. To do that, go to Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, then Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Now, this will also reset, of course, your networks that you are automatically connected to, so you'll have to reconnect to them again once you do that. Also, you'll have to reconnect to all your paired Bluetooth devices. Well, once you're ready, just click reset and see if this helps you. And now, if this doesn't help, then the last thing that I can suggest is that you contact your carrier and check for the outages, because this might not be your problem, but might be the problem on the side of the carrier. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will tell you how to boost your mobile data network signal on the smartphone. So the first thing that I suggest that you can do is toggle your airplane mode in order to reset the network connection. To do that, open your quick settings and then click airplane mode once, then click it once again and see if it helps you. Now, if it doesn't, please, if you can, then move to an area with a battery coverage in order to get the better signal. And if this doesn't help, and if you cannot do that, if you cannot find such a spot near yourself, or if you cannot move around for a while, then you can try to go to settings and enable Wi-Fi calling. To do that, go to mobile network, select your SIM card, then select Wi-Fi calling and turn it on, and see if this makes your signal better. Now, if this doesn't help, then you can reset your network settings. To do that, go to System and Update, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and then reset network and Bluetooth connections settings. Of course, this will also reset your connections, so you'll have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks you've been paired with, and also the same goes to Bluetooth devices. So select this option, then reset, and then this should most likely help you solve your problem. But in case it didn't, then you can contact your carrier, mobile carrier, and check for outages, because this might be an issue on the carrier side. And with that being said, I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. Now in such case, let's set up a new fingerprint for our device, and let's do it in a proper way. So let's go to the settings, then open security and privacy. Here go to device unlock section, go to fingerprint and face unlock, select fingerprint, then confirm. If you have any previous fingerprint models on your device, remove them like this, and then let's add a new fingerprint. But before we start, let's use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the scanner, so the bottom part of the screen, and also check your screen protector, because this is the very serious matter in this case, as many cheap screen protectors usually don't allow you to enroll a fingerprint properly, as the sensor cannot read your fingerprint through the cheap screen protector. So make sure that you either use an original screen protector from OnePlus, or maybe get a more expensive and more reliable screen protector if your fingerprint keeps being read improperly. So let's begin by tapping the fingerprint again, and then add fingerprint, add now, and then let's press the finger on the screen. Use different parts of your fingerprint to ensure the best experience. Now let's enroll the edges. You should really try your best to use all parts of your finger in order for the model to be read properly. Okay, and when you're done, click done. Then let's go back to settings, and let's select system and update settings, and check if your software is up to date, because if your software is outdated, that might also affect the way that your hardware works, including the fingerprint sensor. Now give me a moment. Okay, so as you can see, the version of my software is up to date, so make sure that yours is too. And now, in order to apply settings, let's restart the phone by holding the volume up key and the power button for a moment, like this. Then select restart and let your phone reboot before we proceed. So let's wait a moment again. Okay, and now that the phone is restarted, first give it a moment to load completely, and now let's try to check how the fingerprint sensor works now. As you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me, and I really hope that it did for you too, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume in the settings. So go over to settings. Now here, scroll a bit down to sounds and vibration. And now here, we will have the volume sliders. Make sure that the media is turned all the way up, just like me. And now what you guys can do is disable the do not disturb mode. It's also in those settings, so it's right here. And make sure that it's not enabled, and make sure that silence media when do not disturb is on is enabled. it's very bad for you, and make sure that both of those switches are disabled and are gray. So now what you guys can do next is clean the speaker grill, and here I'll show you guys. Here we have the speaker grill. Now we need to make sure that we keep it clean, and after that what we can do as a last resort is to update our software to fix any audio glitches. So an update can help a lot if you're not running the latest version. So go over to the bottom of the settings, click on System and Update, and here click Software Update. Now as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically, so if you do not have the latest version like me, then make sure to update it. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. Whenever you use something metallic on the such thing as a microphone port, then you can only damage it and make things worse. So remember to use, let's say, a soft brush, compressed air. I recommend the soft brush. Now what you guys can do after cleaning the microphone port is to check if the mic is working, because it's the most commonly known issue. So here we will have the recorder app in the OnePlus folder by default. Let's quickly give it permissions, and here we can actually record. So this is how it looks like. We can here check if our microphone is working. As you guys can see, we got the little vibrations, so that's how we know that it's working. Now what we can do is we can update our software to fix any mic glitches. They happen a lot. Even though you think your phone is good without an update, then it may be not, because you have still old glitches on your device. So go to settings, and now here we have the main page. We need to scroll all the way down until we see System and Update. Now here click on Software Update, and it will check for updates automatically, but I do not have an internet connection, so I'll show you guys how it works in a second. So now after we click Software Update, it will check for updates automatically, as you guys can see, and now our version is up to date, so I do not have to worry about anything. But if yours isn't, then it may cause some issues with the mic, and you should probably update your OnePlus to the latest version. And that'd be it for the video. If nothing worked here, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center for your phone's checkup, and you can get a diagnosis made by a professional and not me. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your mobile data refuses to work. So the first thing that you can do is toggle your mobile data by swiping down the quick settings menu, then switching it off, then on again in a while. Then alternatively, you can toggle the airplane mode on and off and see if it helps you. And if it doesn't, the next thing that you can do is open your settings, then go to mobile network, then select your SIM card, then you can then go to access point names, tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then select reset access points. Okay, just to restore the default APN settings. And if it doesn't help, then next let's check if the SIM card is properly installed into the phone. So grab your phone, turn the bottom edge of your phone to face you, then carefully remove the SIM card from your phone and see if it's placed like this. Okay, Also check if it's properly installed into the slot. Then insert it again into your phone like this, carefully, and then check if this helped. And as you can see, the phone should see your SIM card immediately, and so the mobile data should work too. Now if this doesn't help, let's just try to restart the phone, because it often helps. So press volume up button and the power button at the same time, then select restart and wait until your phone reboots. And after your phone restarts, give it a moment to load, and then check if your mobile data started working. And now if it didn't, then the next thing that you can do is go to settings, select system and update, and here go to backup and reset settings. Now select reset phone, and then select reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now be aware that after that you'll have to reconnect to all the Wi-Fi networks that are saved on your device, and also the Bluetooth devices will disconnect from your smartphone. But this will most probably help you solve the issue. Now, once the network settings were reset, check if mobile data started working for you, and in case it didn't, then you should contact your carrier to check to check your data plan, and maybe there's an issue, maybe you have some outages. So I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OnePlus Nord 5. So this phone does not have a 3.5mm jack, but if you're using USB-C headphones, I mean either the adapter or the USB-C cable, then first you guys can clean the charging port, because as you guys can see, we have the charging port right here and it can block the connection, so we have to keep that in mind and keep it clean. We can also try and restart the phone, so hold the power button and swipe up to the restart. Now our phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. So now after the device restart, enter your password if you have one, and now make sure that you use either the original or certified adapter if you're using one. Also, if you're not, then you can try and test another pair of headphones. And last, we can update our phone's software. So go over to settings, now scroll a bit down, go to system update, and here in the software update, check for updates. It will check automatically, so as you guys can see, my version is up to date, and make sure that yours is too. So now moving on to the Bluetooth headphones, if you're using them, then first let's go over to the settings, and here in those settings go to Bluetooth. Now what you guys can do is toggle the Bluetooth off for a couple of seconds and then restart it just like that. And now if your headphones are paired with the phone, then you guys can forget them and repair them. You guys can try that, and you guys can also try and charge them fully to make sure that they are not discharged and that they're not working because of low battery or no case battery in case of an AirPods. So now what you guys can do is also avoid either Wi-Fi or device interference. It's very important, so remember that. And now what you guys can do as the final step is to reset the network and Bluetooth settings. So scroll down until you guys see the system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and here click reset phone. Now click on the reset network and Bluetooth settings right here, enter the pattern, and now click reset. Basically, every single Wi-Fi network and every single Bluetooth device that was connected or paired with your phone will be reset. So make sure that you have a backup of it, or you guys can pair them. And if none of that worked, then try it on another device, and if they work here, then it's maybe your phone that needs the service. So you guys can get it checked out in the service center and get a more professional diagnosis made by a technician, not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case if you have one. Basically, whenever you have a case, it can cover a little part of the screen, so that can cause the ghost touches to appear. And now, moving on to the screen protector, when it's not aligned perfectly or it's misaligned, or basically it's covering a little bit of the edges of the phone and not the entire screen, then it can also cause the ghost touches to appear, probably on the right side or on the left side where the screen protector is basically on the normal screen. Now after that, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any touch glitches. It's also very important to run the latest version, so go over to settings. Now scroll down all the way until you guys see system and update, and here click on software update. Here, as you guys can see, it will be checking for updates and the version is up to date for me, but if yours is not up to date, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to do that because you guys can basically get rid of all the glitches and you guys can have the latest version of your software and much more. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot your screen lock password. So in such case, first check if you don't have any fingerprint or face unlock features installed on your phone using which you can access your device, and if you don't, then in such case try your best to remember the password that worked for you the last time when you tried to sign into your smartphone. And in case you cannot, in case it doesn't work in the normal mode, then try using it in the safe mode where no third-party applications will affect the way that your lock screen behaves. And to do that, press volume up key and the volume and the power button at the same time, select restart, then wait for the red and white logo to appear on your screen, and when it appears on your screen, start holding down the volume down key and release it once your phone boots up. Okay, so let's wait, and right now you can start holding down the volume down key and just wait, and as you can see, here is the indicator of the safe mode, which means that we have entered the safe mode on your phone. And now try to enter your password, and just in case it works for you this time, go into settings, security and privacy, then device unlock, then screen lock, then enter your password again to confirm, then select turn off password and confirm. And now you can restart your phone by holding down the power key and volume up button, again selecting restart, and just wait until your phone reboots. And now if this didn't help you, and if you weren't able to sign into your device in the safe mode, then you can contact OnePlus customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, in such case they'll probably most likely be able to help you out with your issue and let you regain the access to your smartphone without removing any data for any files from your smartphone. And now if this option isn't available for you too, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, but this will erase all data from your smartphone, so all your personal files, all your personal information will be erased. Now you can do this remotely using Find Hub service, which you can access from any device that you have. So just look it up on Google, open this website, then log in on this website using your Google account that is connected to this smartphone. Then on the list of devices, select this one device, and then scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you'll find the factory reset option. Select factory reset, select this option, and once the factory reset operation is complete, you'll be able to reset your phone as a new device. And now if you cannot use this option either, you can still perform a factory reset operation locally using recovery mode on your smartphone. Now if you don't know how to navigate, how to manage, how to use recovery mode, how to enter it, then you can check the entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation using recovery mode on OnePlus Nord 5. And in this video we'll explain everything step by step, so if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.